For these decadent cinnamon oat cookies, I'm going to use 2 cups of old-fashioned oats. So I already portioned it out. And make sure you get organic because you don't want that terrible pesticide called glyphosate. Next up is, oh, actually I want to spin this. I want to break it up just a little bit. Okay, just a few seconds. All right, there's only 3 ingredients, which is so nice, and this is so quick. Medjool dates. Make sure you get Medjool dates. These are the best. These are big and soft, and 2 cups of pitted dates. The best ones I found are at Trader Joe's. So look, they're already pitted. So that is a nice time saver. Put those in there. And I'm going to save this cute little box. And after I make these, I'm going to put them back in the box and bring it as a gift. And the last ingredient is cinnamon. And you want to make sure you get Ceylon cinnamon. And I'm going to use, the last time I used a teaspoon and people loved it. But I like more cinnamon. So what is this? I think this is a half. Yeah, this is a half. So I'm going to do a little more today. I'm going to make it a little extra spicy. Just like me. All right. Make sure it's level. All right. And then you just blend these all together until it makes a ball. All right, let's go for a spin. And you can check it. So if it doesn't stick together, then you need more dates. So I'm kind of surprised. This might need some more dates. Make sure your hands are clean when you use this. I think, actually, yeah, it's a little too crumbly. Let me add a couple more dates. And you want to make sure you've got fresh dates. They should be soft and squishy. Look. Make sure you can squish them. Oh, this one's going to be super yummy. All right. Let's try it one more time. I bet it'll be perfect. Okay, that should work. So I'm going to put this, should I put this in another bowl? It would be easier if I did just put this in another bowl. And you can taste it. So good. Oh gosh, I love cinnamon. All right, this is going to be kind of messy. I'm going to put some gloves on. Okay, so all you do is gather it up. It should actually be warm. You can make a couple little balls. And then you make them smaller and smaller until they become invisible. So you just make it whatever size you want. Obviously, you don't want it this big because that would be insane. So I'm bringing these to a party tonight, and there's going to be 30 people there. So I'm going to make sure I have 30 cookies, and they're all the same size. So I'm going to start with bigger ones, and then I can go ahead. Listen to that sound. Oh, isn't that obnoxious? And then I'll see if I need to make them smaller. All right, my little cookies are all done, and I actually got 30 of them. I had to make some smaller, and they're close enough inside. And I'm gonna bring them in a couple hours, but to keep them fresh, I'm gonna put them in the refrigerator because it is a really hot summer day. And just if there's any left over, just put them in the refrigerator. So they taste soft, they're chewy, they're sticky, they're sweet, and they're cinnamon cookies. You can make them flat or little balls, super easy. And I'll put the directions, ingredient list, and everything below. Don't forget the cover.